This is a complete guide to set up a node used for development using its RPC point and/or data API, depending on your needs. Using your own node has multiple advantages, beginning with no limits in usage and cost for simple or more complicated calls to the blockchain. We are starting off with setting up a server for your Ethereum nodes, so for this we are going to use StereumPlus to quickly set up a server. The cool thing is, with StereumPlus, your server doesn't need any extra network configuration. The hardware comes out of the box ready and is tailored to run Ethereum nodes, as it is used by RockLogic to run their Lido nodes with thousands of validator keys. If you should run into any problems, just join our Discord or open a ticket on our website. Our teams can guide you from beginning to end. So now that the process is complete, you'll get an email on the email you registered with all the infos about your newly purchased server, including your IP address. Alright, so now that we have our server, we can proceed to the Ethereum node setup itself. For this, you can download the Stereum launcher under the link below. It is open source and easy to set up. Next step is to go onto the Stereum launching page, where you'll proceed to log in with the server's IP address you just purchased, username and password. Out of this 3 options, you'll choose one-click installation option, and here choose your use case and network. Then select the node archive option. When setting up a node, try to alternate between different execution and consensus clients to optimize performance and network resilience. Finally, you'll confirm the installation paths for each component you're setting up on your server. Once the installation is complete, switch to the control page. Here, open up the ports of both RPC endpoint and Data API. Copy their addresses and put them into your script, application, data collector, or whatever case you need it for. Keep in mind that you have to make sure Stereum is open in the background during the whole process to establish the SSH tunnel. And that's it. We hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.